So today I'm going to be replacing an older shower head with a stronger high pressure one that also filters the water. This is a turbocharged shower head designed for better pressure and cleaner water. It comes with a cartridge-style filter that helps reduce chlorine, rust, and other impurities, especially those found in hard water, so it's great for your skin and hair. It also features stop flow regulation, letting you pause the water while you lather up to save water. The one-click button gives you quick control to turn the water on and off. Plus, it's also detachable, so cleaning it is super easy. Overall, it's simple, but a powerful upgrade to your shower setup, and it's a fraction of the cost of the original shower head. So first I'm going to unscrew the old shower head by hand. If yours is stuck, a wrench with a rag for protection will work. This one came right off without a fight. Before installing the new one, I wrapped a little PTFE tape around the threads of the shower arm. Just a couple of turns. And you want to wrap the threads clockwise. This helps prevent leaks and gives a better seal. It also comes with the shower head. Next, I hand tighten the new shower bracket onto the shower arm. You want to make sure that the supplied rubber washer is inside the connector before you attach it to the shower arm. And all of this required no tools. I just turned it snug by hand and it sealed up perfectly with no leaks. Once you have applied the PTFE tape to the bottom of the bracket threads, it is time to install the stainless steel hose. And then lastly, you're going to wrap the threads on the bottom of the handheld shower head. And then you're going to secure the other end of the stainless steel hose to the bottom of the shower head. The water filter is located inside this turbocharged shower head. The head actually comes apart. You just unscrew the top half from the handle, and right inside is the filter cartridge. When it's time to replace it, all you have to do is pull the old cartridge out, drop in the new one, and then just screw the top half back on by hand. That's it, no tools, no hassle. And it's recommended to replace the filter every 3 to 6 months. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.